Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the display feels washed out or you're seeing wrong colors on your MacBook Neo. So if it's a minor inconvenience, then we can simply adjust the color profile and the display settings in the settings menu. And to do that, we're going to have to navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings to open this menu. Then here, let's scroll down to Appearance on the sidebar. Here we can adjust the appearance, the color of the theme, which we can easily change. By default, we have the color that is adjusted to our MacBook. But if you don't like it, you can change it to blue, which is default, purple, pink, red, etc. Then you can also adjust the text highlight color and icon and widget style. And for more profound color changes, go to Display Settings on the sidebar. And here we can adjust things like color profile by selecting one of the available presets, or by customizing the color profile. And if it's a more serious issue, then we can run diagnostics and see whether the laptop needs hardware repair, so whether the display is malfunctioning. And to do that, we're gonna have to first shut down the laptop. So once again, navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select Shut Down to turn off your laptop. After that, select Shut Down to confirm, and then wait until the laptop is switched off. Then we're gonna have to turn the laptop back on by holding down the power button for longer than usual. You will see continue holding for startup options, and if you continue holding, you will see loading startup options. At this point, you can release the power button and wait for the startup options to appear. And once they do, you're gonna have to press and hold Command and D combination of keys until your device's screen goes off, and then wait for the diagnostics menu to appear. Here we're gonna have to tap continue, then connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once it appears on the list, select your Wi-Fi network and tap continue, enter the password if required, then tap agree to repair privacy, and wait for the diagnostics option to appear on the screen. Okay, let's tap continue once again, and here we are interested in the display diagnostics. Let's wait until they appear on the screen. And let's go to Display Anomalies. Click Display button, and the device will start automatic testing, and then we'll go to the manual. Tap continue. And now you should tell whether you see that all the pixels are red. They are slightly orange through the camera filter, but they are actually red. So if they are not red, select no, otherwise yes. Now we are seeing the green color, so confirm whether you're seeing green color, then the blue color, and then the white. Then check the black. Then the light gray, and then the dark gray. And so yeah, and at the end you will see whether or not you are having some hardware issues with your display. And if you do, then the only solution is to get to the repair center or Apple customer support service and to get your device repaired. Otherwise, you can still fix the color issues by adjusting your color profile in settings. And yeah, so to get back from this menu, you have to select the Apple logo in the top left corner and select restart. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.